Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside bimetal hole saw set, suitable for all standard power drills and cordless drills. Hole saw diameter 19, 25, 38, 44, 68 and 83 mm. Two-way adapter thread diameter 12.2 and 15.3 mm. Center drill length 75 and 104 mm, max cutting depth 38 mm, for aluminium, tin plate, zinc, bronze, copper, PVC, wood, acrylic. 9-piece set included at the box. I like the design. Plastic case. Okay, and we have in the manual. And included at the box we have the 6 hole saws, starting with a 19, 25, 38 mm, 44 mm, 68 mm and the 83 mm. And we have these two center drills. The small one, you can use it with the 19 and 25 mm. Let me show you. And if you want, you can adjust the drill or replace it. It has these gaps, so it will stay very secure at the base. And the second, you can use it with the other 4, 38, 44, 68 and 83 mm. Unscrew that until the 2 pins they will fall down. Alignment. But before that, let me show you that you can remove the drill bit. If you want to replace it. Now install at the hole saw and we need to alignment, there it is, the pins, and then with this screw, tie the screw very well, okay, and there it is. So I will use it on the wood, and we need a cordless drill or a hammer drill. It is your choice, what do you have? The sharp teeth of the hole saws are designed for fast and smooth cutting, reducing friction and heating build-up. This efficiency ensures cleaner cuts and prolongs the lifespan of the saws. The bimetal construction and precision ground teeth minimize the risk of kickback during cutting, making it safer to use, especially for beginners. The Parkside bimetal hole saw set is an essential tool for anyone looking to cut clean, precise holes in a range of materials. Its bimetal construction ensures durability, while the variety of sizes and efficient cutting design makes it a versatile and reliable choice for both DIY and professional projects. Whether you are working on wood, metal or plastic, this set will help you achieve professional results with ease. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project guides. Make sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.